Hey everybody, this is a video that will help with a couple of things, installing the BlueBus Bluetooth unit into, in my case, this is a E46 BMW convertible. It's a 330 CI, it's a 2004, so it's a post-facelift. And in my case, I am installing this not just for the Bluetooth function, but I'm also installing this for the phone function because my car had the option for the telephone function. And BlueBus provides you, if you want to pay extra for it, for this connector, which goes into this thing, which is the TCU, or the telephone control unit. Hey, it's post-production John here. I meant to say that the white connector goes into the black harness connector that originally went into the TCU, which you'll see here in a moment. Sorry for the confusion. This thing lives over here behind this. You're going to want to put your top up, and you're going to want to put the luggage expander. I don't know if that's the actual term for it, but you're going to want to put that up. And this connector here is what went in, sorry I'm doing this with one hand, to the TCU here. Now the reason why I'm making this is because I'm really glad I didn't break it, the connector. This TCU, if you pull this off right, is connected, or it's mounted to this bracket here with 8mm bolts. There are, in my case, there are 3 of them. And this connector, this 54-pin connector here, you're going to want to take a screwdriver or something. Maybe you don't need a screwdriver, but you're going to want to push on this tab right here, and you're going to want to pull up on this white little hinge. Right, so you're going to want to pull, or rather use it, you're going to want to use a screwdriver to wiggle your way in there, push that black tab down, and then pull up on this little lock, and then you're going to pull up on that, and that's going to make it free. This is tight. This doesn't want to move, so you don't have a ton of clearance, but taking that TCU out with the bolts is kind of important, and it's going to give you a little bit more freedom. You're going to want to disconnect these things too on the bottom. Those aren't going to be worth anything, so you can kind of break them like I did. And then this comes out, and then you plug your BlueBus in the TCU unit, right? You're going to plug that into that connector there, and off you go. So hope that helps, and good luck.